face-off taking place between the Delhi government and the Haryana government over Yamuna pollution levels. Well, what we are learning at the moment is that Delhi Chief Minister Atishi was at the Election Commission office just a while back, and she said that the Haryana Chief Minister is also expected to come, and we will speak to the Haryana Chief Minister, and the Election Commission has said that they are also going to take a decision on checking the water quality in the national capital. All right, my colleague Ishika joins us on the broadcast here. We also have guests joining us on the broadcast. Well, Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson Siddharth Sharma. We also have Asif Bamla from the BJP. I also have my colleague Gurpreet now joining us on the broadcast as well. Let me first go across to the reporters here. Ishika, if I could come to you first. We do believe Delhi Chief Minister Atishi was at the Election Commission office, and she said that Haryana Chief Minister is also expected to meet the officials here. When is that expected?
Well, in fact, Kitty, you know, the politics over Yamuna has only now intensified with both the parties. That is, in fact, you know, the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party knocking at the doors of the Election Commission. Now, just a while back, it was the Delhi Chief Minister Atishi and the Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann who came here at the Election Commission office to meet the officials here and to, in fact, lodge their complaint against the Haryana government. Now, remember that the Aam Aadmi Party continues to allege that it is the Haryana government which is releasing toxins in the Yamuna water. Now, they are also asking that a committee be formed, you know, with the Haryana government officials, with the Delhi government officials, and with the intervention of the Election Commission so that the water is tested from where, in fact, it is discharged from Haryana. Now, what is interesting here that just as they left, we saw the Haryana Chief Minister, Naib Singh Saini, has reached the Election Commission. We are still waiting for BJP leader Nirmala Sitharaman to arrive here. But, in fact, you know, Naib Singh Saini has already reached here. He has gone to meet the Election Commission officials. And remember that the Haryana government continues to say that this, in fact, allegation by Arvind Kejriwal is, in fact, false. And they, in fact, have evidence that it is only after Wazirabad that the water of Yamuna gets polluted. Now, all of that evidence is going to be put forth by the BJP in front of the Election Commission officials. And remember that, you know, Naib Singh Saini and, in fact, the BJP leaders continue to say that Arvind Kejriwal is hurting the sentiments. Now, very importantly, Election Commission has said that only after hearing both the parties will they be giving their decision.
So, Haryana Chief Minister has already reached the EC office. Let me go across to Gurpreet also. Gurpreet, what has been the stand of Haryana government so far? Well, Atishi has said that Haryana Chief Minister making a statement that the Delhi Jal Board has given a clean chit to them well, clearly saying that the amount of ppm, that is the impurities that have been found in the Yamuna water, has increased, and the letter by the Delhi Jal Board is clearly false. It's incorrect. So what is the Haryana government stand on it so far?
Well, we have seen since this statement was given by former Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, we have seen there is a lot of reaction. Today, we have seen even some of the ministers, they were sitting on the protest. They are saying it seems it's a political statement and they are trying to misguide the people of national capital. Even yesterday, when the Chief Minister of Haryana, Naib Singh Saini, was briefing the media, he has given a statement saying that the water supply which has been initiated and started from Sonipat to national capital, that can be tested any time, and he has given a challenge to the former Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal. Any time the test can be conducted by the Delhi government so that the purity of the water can be checked from there. Today we have seen first they held a protest here. They are saying that this is the allegation which have been leveled by the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, why he didn't raise such issue before 10 years, why this issue has been raised at the time when the elections are happening. Now, after that, what we have learned and what we have understood from the sources within the CMO, they have got all the reports at which they are going to submit before the Election Commission of India, that how the water supply is being supplied by Haryana government to Delhi, and whether there is a pure water or there is impure water. They have already asked to go for the testing of the water. So let's see that how the Election Commission of India is going to take a call, and the fact-finding report which the Chief Minister of Haryana has taken from here to the national capital to hand over Election Commission of India.
We'll wait
so
for a
that
reaction
the proper
also. We
decision
hope
should be taken
when the
by
Haryana
the
Chief
ECI.
Minister is done
Back
meeting with the Election Commission officials, we'll wait for that reaction also. Gurpreet will come back to you later. Let me go across to the spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party, Mr. Siddharth Sharma here. Mr. Siddharth Sharma, why does the Aam Aadmi Party say that the Delhi Jal Board chief has been lying, and the statement that has been given is completely incorrect? But the Delhi Jal Board chief instead has said that every winter season this happens. From October to February, the ammonia levels in River Yamuna increase. That is the statement that has come in from the Delhi Jal Board chief, and they've said that the claims that have been made by Arvind Kejriwal and the Delhi Chief Minister are factually incorrect.
Yeah, Kitty, as per your own reporters right now, don't you find it strange that the Haryana Chief Minister, Haryana, a state in which there is no election happening, that means the Election Commission doesn't have any writ over Haryana right now, although Election Commission does have a writ in Delhi because of the Model Code of Conduct. Haryana is not under election. But still, if the Haryana Chief Minister is summoned by the Election Commission, that goes on to show that whatever Aam Aadmi Party has been saying is true. There is a saying in our verses. There is a mantra called as Pratyaksham Kim Pramanam. In English, it means that there is no need to reinvent the wheel, or you can also say that the proof of the pudding is in its eating. So basically, we all know that the entire BJP ecosystem believes in the tight karo model. That is punishment model, whereas Aam Aadmi Party believes in public ka boj halka karo, light karo model, that is service model. This is the Delhi Jal Board's own admission. This is a fact-finding document from the Delhi Jal Board. There are two portions that are highlighted. One of the portions clearly say that the Delhi Jal Board, that is the Water Management Authority of Delhi, whose officers as per law report to the BJP central government, have in writing admitted that Yamuna water entering Delhi from Haryana at Wazirabad barrage is 700% more poisonous than the permissible ammonia levels. Now, ammonia is a poison, very poisonous substance found in patients with kidney as well as liver failures. So, the very fact that when Aam Aadmi Party raised this issue, and the Delhi Jal Board also admitted that there is a 700% increase in ammonia, which is absolutely above, far above the poisonous levels. When we took this issue to the Election Commission, although its writ doesn't run right now
all right,
Haryana,
Mr. Sharma, let me go across to our guest on the panel here. Well, we have Siddharth Sharma and Asif Bamla here on the broadcast. Mr. Sharma, if I could come back to you, I'll go to Mr. Bamla in just a bit. Mr. Sharma, you've been talking about the rising ammonia levels and how they are dangerous, hazardous for the people of Delhi. But who said that the ammonia levels have gone 6 to 7 times above the normal levels?
This is the document that I shown. There's no need to repeat it. The document clearly says that water treatment plants can, to the extent, if the ammonia level is less than 2, they can clean it. But
no, that's the statement that has been made by that has been made by Delhi Chief Minister. I just want to have a little clarification on that. The Delhi Jal Board chief, as far as I know, has said that there is, of course, high concentration of ammonia in Yamuna, but that's a periodic problem. Let the BJP spokesperson reply to that. Mr. Bamla, please respond.
You asked me a question, you did not let me reply.
I'm just coming back to you. I'm just coming back to you in a minute because I've given you time earlier also. I'll just come back.
If you see from the past 5 to 8 years, the levels of corruption with which the entire Aam Aadmi Party has been living, the cut money, the money in the alcohol, all to spend that in the Sheesh Mahal of the Chief Minister, who claimed to be an activist, a man who fought for purity against corruption, has himself been termed, rated, and has been behind bars for so many corruption charges that you can't even, when you start counting, then it is unlimited. But now let me come on to this issue, we are related to currently, and that is that as per, if you ask me, the reports of the Delhi Pollution Control Board, the DPCC, most of the entire stretch, if you see, remains polluted for nearly the entire year. And let me tell you this, nearly 6,857 crore was spent over 5 years. How much cut money have you eradicated from that? From the year from 2017 to 2021, the Environment Department has given this clear response. And let me also remind my friend from the Aam Aadmi Party that on January 19th, the 20th to 2020, in the run-up for the assembly election, the Chief Minister then said, and he announced a 10-point guarantee program in his guarantee card, which he named very proudly to be a guarantee card, which they should be ashamed of. The party, the Pravakta should be ashamed that we promised that after 10 years, if 5 years after, if there is a dip of pollution level, or if there's any dirt found in the Yamuna River, please do not elect us to power. तो क्या ये दिल्ली की जनता क्या बेवकूफ बन जाएगी? आप लोगों ने दिल्ली की जनता के साथ जो खिलवाड़ किया है, हर जगह आपने कमीशन एजेंट बिठाए रखे हैं, आपने शराब की फिरौती में पैसे कमाए, आपको वहां लोगों ने माफ नहीं किया। इस बार जो है दिल्ली की जनता त्रस्त हो गई है, और मैं आपको ये यकीन दिलाना चाहूंगा कि इस बार आप देखोगे, आदरणीय अमित शाह साहब ने भी यही कहा कि लोग जो है परेशान हैं, आपने दिल्ली की जनता के साथ जो धोखा किया है। और
Mr. Bamla, Mr. Sharma, okay, you've made your point. You made your point. Let me get a response from Mr. Sharma also. Mr. Sharma, you're saying that the ammonia levels, of course, have increased in Yamuna River, and the Delhi Jal Board chief, that note also clearly says that. But they say that the industrial waste or the sewage that's collected or that's mixed in Yamuna is from the Wazirabad barrage. Now, does that not come under the control of Delhi government? What's the basis? What's the merit in the allegations that you're making that the Haryana government is behind all of this?
Yeah, Kitty, there is a dam here. The water comes from this side and the water flows out of this side. This is Wazirabad barrage. On this side is Haryana and this side is Delhi. When the water comes from Wazirabad barrage and gets released here, when you test it here in Delhi, it comes at 6.5 ppm. That is 700 times more poisonous. So it's very clear that the water coming in from Haryana is releasing. One another thing, very interesting thing I'll tell you. In Delhi, there are 37 water treatment plants, sewage treatment plants. In Haryana, there is not a single one. And I think the biggest admission of Haryana, even the BJP spokesperson right now in your show, never said anything about Haryana not releasing this kind of poisonous water. He was saying a lot of other things.
I will ask him that. I want to get a response from him on that.
The very fact that Haryana Chief Minister has been summoned by the Election Commission today, in spite of Election Commission not having any writ on Haryana right now, is proof enough to show that
we do
Aam Aadmi
understand.
Party's complaint has complete merit. Haryana is releasing poisonous water into Delhi, into Yamuna, because BJP believes in the tight karo model. That's
a very
model.
Strong statement, that is being made. Do you mean by that statement that the Haryana government wants people of Delhi to die? I mean, I won't have much time. Mr. Bamla, your quick response in the end.
This is not the prerogative of the Bharatiya Janata Party. I have already read through the statement. I'm thankful that they have now started realizing that the Election Commission is doing an unbiased job, whom they've been complaining, pinpointing right, left and center. But जब उनकी बात आती है तो उनको जो सूट करता है, then it's right for them. But let me tell you this. The CM of Haryana has clearly said, and I want to refer this, Mr. Naib Singh Saini, that from Delhi, let them check the purity. There are no ammonia levels increased on behalf of Haryana. आप अपनी कमियां छुपाने के लिए, you've always shown the buck. इसके पहले आपने कहा कि पराली पंजाब से जलती है और एयर पोल्यूशन दिल्ली में उसके कारण होता है. आज वो छूट गया क्योंकि वहां आपकी सरकार है, तो you can't blame that. So now you're coming to it. So आम आदमी पार्टी की ये पुरानी परंपरा रही है कि जब अपने पर when your deliverables are not up to the mark, then you obviously blame the opposition and the other party. But let me tell you, the people of Delhi have made up their mind that this time भारतीय जनता पार्टी को चुन के लाना है.
Okay.
25 साल होकर दुशासन जो जिसने दिल्ली
What have the people of Delhi decided on? That will be, of course, quite, that will be visible, that will be out in the open when the results are out on Feb 8. All right, Mr. Bamla. Mr. Bamla, I won't have much time. Mr. Sharma, if you could make a quick point, and I'll have to wrap this discussion.
Which is in sync with the central
Yeah. Kitty, the math is very simple. Savings to the people of Delhi due to free facilities of Aam Aadmi Party runs into 25,000 rupees a month. If BJP wins, it will stop all these things. Is the middle class ready to bear the burden of 25,000 rupees a month?
All right, gentlemen.